Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create short animated video using Canva. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into your browser and now go to canva.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see a create a design on the right hand side. Once you click on create a design, just choose a dimension you like and it will create a Canva board according to that dimension. Now on the left hand side you'll see an elements section. Click on it and now in here choose for any animation you like. So I'm just gonna choose man walking. Now choose any of the animation that you like, and once you click on it, it will be added to your Canva board. Now on the top you'll see an animate section. Once you click on animate, you can make animation to your walking man. So you can see drifting coming into the board, going up and down, and anything you like. Now to make an animated background, go to elements and now search for animated backgrounds, and now I like the first one, so I'll just click on it and it will be added to my Canva board, and I'll just resize it. Now to download it, just click on share in the top right hand side and now click on download, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.